For those who have watched the TV series Breaking Bad, you must be well aware of this excellent but shady lawyer called Saul Goodman. Well, as it turns out, Elaine Bredehoft, Amber Heard's lead attorney, is one hell of a shady lawyer. Elaine boasts the unwanted history of tampering with evidence, and she knew a thing or two about metadata back in 2012. This explains a lot, and it appears our little pumpkin pie haircut lawyer is a bit of a narcissist too. This explains why she, like her current client Amber Heard, will not assume responsibility for anything, can't answer a yes or no question, deflects from uncomfortable situations, and blames everyone but herself. She can't also stay on topic and exaggerates irrelevant details. So which evidence did Elaine destroy, and how will that affect the pending appeal? Let's find out. Back in 2012, Elaine Bredehoft was involved in a nasty drama that made the judge throw her out in the cold. The Falls Church defense contractor asked a judge to bar a lawyer from representing a former DynCorp employee accused of stealing trade secrets. The judge agreed, throwing Elaine, a partner in Charleston Bredehoft Cohen Brown and Cicada PC, off of the case. Why, you may ask? Well, that will depend on whom you ask. In the ruling, the judge did not make any formal finding of fact, deciding only that enough conflicts had emerged to require another lawyer. DynCorp accused Elaine of directing a staffer to destroy the only proof showing who had accessed the trade secrets that her client, Jane Flowers, was accused of taking shortly before being fired in January 2011. Also, DynCorp said it planned to call Amber Heard's lawyer as a witness in the case, undermining her role as an advocate. The destruction of evidence is a serious deal, said DynCorp attorney Stephen Robinson, a partner at McGuire Woods LLC. Obviously, it goes to the integrity of the judicial system. But Elaine insisted that DynCorp and Robinson wanted her removed from the case because they were afraid to face her in court, calling the allegations of evidence destruction scorched earth litigation. In April 2012, Elaine won a $5.1 million verdict against DynCorp in a wrongful termination claim brought by Gerald York, Flowers' former boss, who was fired at the same time. It's a spite suit to start out with. It's retaliation, and DynCorp is really angry about the York suit. And it's a litigation tactic, Elaine said at the time. They didn't want to try another case against me after York. The decade-ago case has returned to haunt the lawyer, and Johnny Depp's fans now want her participation in the defamation hearing halted. During the recently headline-renting case pitting two Hollywood stars in Amber and Depp, Elaine was also accused of gaslighting the public over her client's defamation case loss. Spidey, a body language expert, made this revelation in one of his YouTube videos. He was quoted saying, "I would borderline describe this as gaslighting because she's trying to sell this narrative that Johnny Depp is the one who caused the public and the jury to not believe Amber. Not the fact that Amber was denying things we can all see with our eyes." He referenced the actress's insistence on using words like pledge and donate synonymously whenever asked about her charitable donations. Matters such as these ended up leaving the entire legal team with more work than necessary. However, as you would expect, Elaine shrugged these claims off by citing, "No one is perfect," which is a gaslighter's motto in the eyes of experts. Do you think this past case will affect Elaine's representation of Amber Heard? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.